jumbo and bought the iPad and the headset and all. So this is the unboxing of those products. So let's move into the video. So here is the bundle, this is the cover. So let's move one by one. So first we'll go with the headset. It's the Sony headset. This is the headset. So we'll start unboxing. Okay. Oh, it's nice packaging. Ooh. Okay. We opened this box. It came. Okay. And here is the headset where it's right here. Ooh. Wow, it's awesome. Keep these things aside. Like, this thing is so shiny. So they gave the, they perfectly matched for the item. So we'll just open this box to get off the wire. Okay, nice. Move these aside. Wow. Okay, this is the basic look of this. Okay, we can roll. I hope you can watch. It's nice. And we have the pin for the audio. Yeah, it's nice. And the shiny things with the brand name Sony is like awesome. So this is the headphone. This is done very fast. And this is for the mic area, the small thing. So yes, the first unboxing is done. So yes, keep it here. So now let's move to the iPad. Ooh. This is a closer look of the iPad's box. So we already removed just the outer cover. Okay, keep it here. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'll remove it from the top. For the iPad, I will only focus this. Okay. So this is the iPad we have right over here. But yes, this is the view of the iPad. I'll show it later. We'll go first with the inside things. Okay, this is just the thing. And we have the plug, the charger, and the headphone. No, it's the charger. This is the plug. And this is just the box. Move it aside. This is just the book. No need. So these both are the things. We'll keep it here. And the iPad is right here. So let's move into the iPad and its unboxing. So it's the rose gold. And this is the front view. It's the 10.2 or 1 inch. So it's the rose gold and it's the normal iPad. So it's a nice one, and you can just reflect. You can see the mirror thingy here. You can see the reflection like opposite. Box also done. So all the iPad accessories, this headset, yeah, and just keep this. Okay, so we'll move to the final view of all the things. The headphone, its wire, iPad, the plug, and this is the charger. This is the final view of all the products which we brought from the vlog. So this is 128 GB, the normal iPad, and so I hope you can see all the final products and its view. Okay, this is the end of the video. I know it's a short unbox, and Yes, meet you in the other video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. So make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So bye.